Split, zoom, transition, Alight motion. Quick disclaimer. You need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Alight motion on your device. Once the application is ready, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Set your project settings according to your needs, then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Next, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footages that you want to use. After importing them, adjust the position of both footages in the timeline so they are arranged correctly for the transition. Now, duplicate the first footage layer and turn off the visibility of the original first footage. Select the duplicated footage and open the effect browser. Search for the wipe effect and apply it to the duplicated layer. After applying the effect, set the start value to 50%. Then go to the angle setting and change it to 90 degrees. Once the effect has been configured, copy the wipe effect settings. Turn off the duplicated layer and turn the original first footage back on. Paste the copied effect onto the original footage. Open the wipe effect settings and change the angle value to 270 degrees. This creates the opposite half of the split effect. Repeat the same process for the second footage, so both clips are divided into two separate halves. After both footages have been split, select the original first footage and go to the position option. Turn on the position keyframe and create the first keyframe at the default position. Move to the end of the footage and create a second keyframe. For this keyframe, slide the footage in the direction you want it to move. Next, select the duplicated layer and repeat the same process. Turn on position keyframes. Keep the first keyframe at the default position and move the second keyframe to the opposite direction of the original footage. After setting the movement, apply a graph to both animations. Then move to the second footage and repeat the same process for both the original and duplicated layers. Once the animations are complete, group the original and duplicated layers for both the first and second footages. After grouping them, apply a transition scale out effect to the first footage group and a transition scale in effect to the second footage group. Finally, apply a graph to both scale transitions. You have successfully created a split zoom transition in Alight motion.